We are aware that there is land which belongs to Dr. Anil Taylor. And to this effect, the land was acquired through proxy means, and he built the land in the name of Market Plaza, where there are a fleet of businesses which are taking place. Now, it is sad to know that the same land which is getting money fraudulently meant for the citizens of this country called Kisii County, and the land which is meant to actually raise a market, an open market for mama mbogas, was grabbed, and including a road which was supposed to be passing through that land at Market Plaza. I'm calling upon EACC, I'm calling upon DPP, I'm calling upon the Chairperson Lands Commission to follow up the matter, because we are proceeding to court for a litigation, because that is grab land. Now, what is really saddening is to realize that Dr. Anil Taylor, after having orders from the Supreme Court, because in this country we believe in the rule of law and upholding the constitution of our country, it is against that instrument that Anila went against the orders he was granted, and we will give the copies of these orders, that he should not evict one of the tenants in that building called Market Plaza. And we are asking, if the Asians came to Kisii to grab land and intimidate our people, it is high time that now we call upon the institutions which are mandated to look into constitutionalism and the rule of law. To him, I'm asking the court to apprehend, arrest this man, Dr. Anil Taylor, and his accomplices, and those who went to evict one of the tenants presiding in an illegal apartment raised in Kisii, so that justice can be prevailed.